You know, when most people think of Roblox, they think of it as just a game for kids. But what if I told you it's actually a platform that's turning some of those kids into the next generation of tech moguls? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and see how Roblox is creating young millionaires. I mean, seriously, try to wrap your head around that. Earning millions of dollars before you can even legally vote? It sounds like pure fantasy, right? But for a growing number of young developers, it's very, very real. So let's explore how Roblox became this incredible launchpad for these young entrepreneurs.
And this isn't just a one-off story. It's a real phenomenon. We're seeing teenagers create games that get so popular, they're pulling in seven-figure incomes. So the big question is, how? How are they actually doing it? Let's find out.
Okay, so how does a kid go from just playing games to actually building one? Well, it all starts with some really powerful tools that Roblox puts right at their fingertips, for free. The whole journey kicks off with something called Roblox Studio. You can think of it like a digital workshop or a creative sandbox. It's completely free, anyone can download it, and it gives you everything you need to become a game developer. From here, creators can literally design entire worlds, build really complex challenges, and even craft unique items completely from scratch. All right, now we get to the part everyone wants to know about. How does all this creativity, all this hard work, actually translate into cold, hard cash? The entire economy inside Roblox revolves around one thing, Robux. It's the virtual currency of this universe. Players use real money to buy Robux, and then they spend it in games on all sorts of things. Special powers, cool outfits, you name it. And for the developers, this is exactly where that money trail begins. You know, the path to getting paid is surprisingly straightforward. First, you build a game that's fun and engaging. Then, as people play, they start spending Robux in your game. From that, you earn a piece of that Robux. And then you get to the final and most important step of them all. That final step is the Developer Exchange Program, or what everyone calls DevEx. This is the official, legit system that lets you turn all that virtual Robux you've earned into actual US dollars. It's the bridge connecting the game world to a developer's real-world bank account. And honestly, it's the engine that makes this whole creator economy run. But here's the thing, a great game is totally useless without players. And this is where Roblox has a massive, almost unfair advantage. A huge, built-in community that creators can tap into from day one. The secret to those incredible earnings really comes down to scale. We're talking about millions of players logging on every single day all over the world just looking for new games to play. A really good game can go viral almost overnight and just explode with a massive audience. And you know, success on Roblox is rarely a solo mission. The whole platform is built around this giant collaborative community. Developers team up on projects, they share code, they give each other tips, they even hire other creators to build out their teams. It's this living, breathing ecosystem where everybody's learning and growing together.
But honestly, beyond all the money, which is obviously amazing, the real value here might be the incredible real-world skills that these young creators are picking up along the way.
Just think about it for a second. These young developers aren't just playing around. They're basically running small businesses. They're managing projects, they're looking at user data, and they're making real strategic decisions. Roblox has pretty much created a business incubator that's cleverly disguised as a gaming platform. So they're building out a resume that tons of adults would be jealous of. We're talking real, high-demand skills here: coding, game design, project management, community engagement. These aren't just fun little hobbies. They're skills that are going to give them a huge head start in whatever career they decide to pursue. So when you put it all together, Roblox has built this really unique ecosystem. It perfectly blends creative freedom with hands-on education and, of course, very real earning potential. It's become a space where young talent can not only dream up ideas, but actually build them and profit from them. When you give a whole generation the tools, the audience, and a real incentive to create, the results are just astonishing. Roblox is giving us a little glimpse into that future, and it really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What incredible things are they going to build next?